Okay, guys, we're on the third and final job in Carlsbad. So let's go see what they got. Let's go check it out. Oh, open the truck up first. Get all ready here. Get her opened up. Got more room. Oh, I gotta open the tarp too, damn it. Windy. It's a windy day. It's a windy, beautiful day. Look at it, beautiful. Beautiful neighborhood. Windy day. Truck's almost full, but we'll fill it right now. We're gonna fill the truck. Open it up. Get the tarp. Make sure you tarp everything so it doesn't blow away. Gotta make sure we tarp it all. Nothing's gonna blow away on this. So, we got all this stuff back here. Check it out. All this stuff's going. Bunch of boxes. Nice little. Donate that thing. Definitely donate that little kitchen thing. Look at that thing. Cute. And then there's more stuff back here. Let's see what's back here. How do you open this thing? More stuff you said back here. Ooh, got all this little mixer. All these items. But not that. But all the boxes. Okay, stay tuned. We're gonna get it picked up. And we'll be done in probably about 20 minutes. All right, stay tuned. Check it. All right, so we got it all picked up. Bunch of boxes, bunch of junk. So we got it all picked up in Carlsbad. Let's call it an estate clean out, side yard clean out, box pickup, trash pickup, whatever you want to call it. In Carlsbad, California, yay. So if you need something picked up, give us a haul. Give us a call. The Hauler Junk Removal, 760-331-3289 for all your junk removal needs. Lock that up. Make sure everything's secure, nothing's flying out on the road. And put the tarp on, because we need to make sure those boxes don't fly out. It's one good thing about having a big truck with a tarp. Yeah, just push the button and it does the magic. Nothing flies out because we don't want to kill nobody and we don't want no big tickets. So again, if you need something picked up, give us a call. 760-331, or you know the number. Ask for a discount, we'll give it to you. We give military, senior, whatever discount you want, just ask for them. Hell, we'll even do a AAA discount if you want. Just give us a call. Just give us a call. All right. Or go to our website, book it online at www.thehaulerjunkremoval.com, and we'll get her done for you. All right. Till next time. Check us.